great way to learn this language. So I would take three words. We learn take three words. First is the corpse, second is the couple, third is the refrigerator. Okay.
First what? What is the first
First is
word?
the corpse. It's police. Police.
Police. Okay. Okay.
Second is the
And
couples.
refrigerator.
One
Okay.
refrigerator and couples. So three word I had
Okay.
chosen,
Okay.
and now I have to think about
Okay.
it, how to create our own story to using the three words. So that is the great way to learn this
Okay. Okay.
language. That is why I suggest to you, like we have to try to create a good video to
Okay.
our viewers. They also learn that way. So now I will tell
Okay.
my story. I will create a one story of that. There is a one couple. There is a one couple in that one. Their name is the Ria and Ram. Both of them name,
Okay.
and actually they are planning to. They were planning to watch a movie. So they was thinking, okay, today night we went for the movie, and they bought a.
Okay.
They booked the ticket by the online. So they was thinking like after completing the office, we went to the for the movie theater, and evening time when they came back from their office, so they get ready, and for they went for the movie. When they went to the theater, so they have seen
Okay.
their one couple is also there, so they are fighting to each other, and they are quarreling
Okay.
to each other. So why they are quarreling actually? So some people are calls the police and cops, calls the police, and then police came. So police came, and they saw the what the matters is going there. So they asked to the
Okay.
that couple, why you are quarreling, and are you why are you fighting? And then
So,
they said to them to each other, like actually she didn't do the right work, and she always forgetting all the things. Actually they are fighting
okay.
about to the, like actually her she didn't do the, like she when she at home, that time she forget to uh, keep the milk in the fridge. The leftover
Okay.
the
Okay.
milk she have in their kitchen, in her kitchen. So she forget how
Okay.
to she forget to keep in the fridge, because if they will she will not keep in the fridge their milk, so it will be spoiled. That is why. So
Yeah.
so they are
Yeah.
fighting to each other in the home theater, because they are, that fighting is too much. Like they are not thinking about surrounding people. They just think about their self only. They are fighting, so that is why cops come and police
Yeah.
came, and they just sorted out the matter, how to, you have to
Okay.
try to understand to each other, and whatever the matters in your personal, you have to try to settle down here. So like that time, like
Okay.
we both couple Ria and Ram was seeing to all the matters. So they are thinking why, how people are fighting to each other. If any matter they have in their personal life, so they have to sort it out in their home. Why they are publicly they are showing that kind of thing. So that time,
Okay.
like that thing is happened when Ria and Ram watching the movie. After completing the movie, they went to the home, and they are laughing to each other. Why people are doing the same kind of? They are shaming. We have to shame on that kind of people. They are showing their personal life on the public place. So like the moral of
Okay.
the story, people don't show their personal life on the public place. If you show, people are just making fun of you. They are not thinking about
Yeah.
like you, what is the problem is that. So I think like who are the family, like who are the couples, they don't fight to on the public place. If you are fighting on the public place, so people are always mocking you, and they are not thinking about their own problem. So that is the moral of the story.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is story
Yeah.
I created.
You actually you expressed a lot of things in the story, but
Yeah.
since I'm first time, I am not able to create the story like you.
You
So
tried, sir,
if
because we
I
all are the learner. So when you try,
yes, yes,
it
yes.
means you are thinking. So what is surrounding the things? Then you will learn this language.
Yeah.
So actually, I want to
Yeah,
create this
give me
video
same
for the
story. Shall I?
viewers.
Shall
Yes, yes.
I?
You can create
Same
own
story. Shall I
story.
create?
You
Own
have to
story.
create
Okay.
your own story. Like you can relate
Own
by
story.
yourself also.
Ma'am, what
You
did you
can
say?
you can create by yourself. You can try to relate by yourself. That way, you can create your own story.
Okay, okay, okay. Right. I'm since I'm very first actually connecting to you is I'm not having any experience to creating these kind of stories. So uh, could you could you give me some clue of
Okay.
how to, yeah,
Because
give me some
I'm
clue.
also teaching to the student like who want to learn this language. So that kind of task I am giving to them. So that is
Yeah,
why.
you are a teacher. You are a
Yeah.
teacher. I'm a student, right?
Okay. Okay, so
Yeah.
I would say
Okay.
like you are a
Yeah.
married, right? So your
Yes.
like you and your wife is a couple, and now we are
Okay.
talking about to the refrigerator, right?
Refrigerator.
So
Okay.
how
Okay.
to
Yeah.
use the
Yeah.
refrigerator? Like you can talk about their childrens, like in your family, their
Yes. Yes.
childrens
Yes.
also there. So they are
Yeah.
just taking the refrigerator, they are just opening the door again and again, they are not closing the door. So you have to
Yeah.
think in that way also. Like actually I
Okay.
will
Okay.
create one more story also, then you understand
Yeah.
better how to create your own story, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like
Actually.
yes, yes.
Yeah. 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 Actually, the real story, what I'm going to say now, actually, the milk vendor is coming to my home,
Yeah.
and he's letting the bottle and outside the house at the gate, and my wife regularly often forgets to bring that bottle and put it in the refrigerator,
Yeah.
and in the morning when we see when she tries to make a coffee or tea, the milk was rotten, decay.
Yeah.
What happens? So she forgets to put in the freezer.
Yeah.
So it's a real matter. What I'm saying is, yesterday it was happened. So the milkman came and put the milk bottle at the gate, and she forgets to go and pick that bottle and put it in the refrigerator. So it's happening oftentimes. So that is one part, and some children, those who are visiting my house, and they are opening and getting bottles, water bottle, cool water bottles, and some ice creams through the refrigerator. And sometimes, as you said, sometimes they forget to close the door again. So the cool all gone through the refrigerator. So that some people and their parents, the children's parent, scolding them. Why did you do that? So it is not good to not to close the door. So they're scolding and children and keep doing like that. So it's happening. It's happening, not a story. It's happening really.
So, sir,
So that
in
is
that
one
way,
part.
like you already create a story. That is also the story. I would say, like
This
you
is the
have to
story,
relate
right?
yourself. Yeah, this is the story also.
Sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you.
So that is
This is the
the
first
way
time
to
I'm
learn this. Yes.
creating. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then give me another story. Yeah. Clue for the another story.
Okay, so I will take
Yeah.
some words also. Like we will take
Yeah.
a. You are a okay, like a teacher,
Yeah.
student, and a school.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now you
The
think.
our school is actually 2 kilometers away from my home. When I get up in the morning and get ready and take a bike to drive there, it will take 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And after I go there, and all the students are ready to have the class, ready to listen the class. So when I reach there, uh, they all greeted me, good morning, good morning. And after they greeted me and asked them to sit down, all. And then I opened my book and teach the subject what they wanted to know. That is, after I taught the 1 hour class and 45 minute class, and I finished and give it to that second class to the other student. And then after he finished, then I can teach my other subject to the students. Then I finished my morning break, morning classes, and I come back to home and having lunch, and then making and having lunch and preparing to do some household
Sir,
chores
give me two
to
minutes. Give
go
me
to
two
the
minutes.
town to
Sorry
work
for it.
for the family
Sir, sorry for
matters.
interrupting.
That's all
Sir,
I can do that.
sir,
I
give
can
me
do
two
this.
minutes. I will be back. Actually, my kids are crying.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Give
you.
me 2 minutes.
Right. Yes.
क्या हुआ? What happened? और जल्दी सेवा लगा लो 2 मिनट क्यों आता है? सेवा लगा अरे डोंट बेटा 5 मिनट में आ रहा 5 मिनट में बहुत पिटाई लगेगी अगर नहीं मानोगे मेरी बात से हम जा रहे हैं लेकिन अब चुप हो जाओ बिल्कुल चुप 5 मिनट में हाई सेट ना 5 मिनट 5 मिनट ओनली 5 मिनट लास्ट सेशन है बस इसके बाद आ रही हूँ यस सर
Okay, ma'am.
या
Go ahead and please give me another word for making
Okay, I think sir we are
stories.
running out of the time. Next
Yeah,
time we will
okay.
catch you soon. But it's a
Yeah,
grateful session for our viewers also. They will also learn by the
Oh.
story, like storytelling, because I will create
Yes.
this video for my
This
viewers.
is the first time experience through you. Actually, I don't have this kind of idea to learn English. This is This is very easy to learn English. So please
Yes.
give it connect. Please let us connect next time too.
Definitely, sir. I will
Yeah.
try to catch you
Yeah.
soon, and I will create more videos about to learning this language because I'm also in
Yeah.
teaching nowadays. So how I am teaching to my student. So that is
Okay,
the
okay,
great
ma'am.
way. Like they can also think about that. Then they are using
Yes,
all the
yes.
things whatever in their mind.
Yeah.
So that is why I
Next
create
time.
that video.
Yeah. Next time when we meet again, so we can know ahead of time the story, the name of the story that would we want to say. So that way I can prepare through some ways.
Sir,
Okay.
instant is the necessary thing. Whenever you are
Okay.
doing
Okay.
instant, so
Instant is the better way
your
to.
brain is
Yeah.
also working. If you are prepared
Yes, you are
yourself,
right.
so
Yeah.
your brain is not working. That is why I suggest to you.
Okay. Thank
sir,
you. Thank you.
thank you so much for having me. It's a grateful session. Our viewer also learn this video how to learn this
Yeah.
language because I also
Okay.
learn in that way. So whatever the experience I had, I just express on my YouTube channel.
Okay. Thank you. I'm very glad to have the session with you, and also through this video I learned some new things from you. Okay.
Thank you so much. So please
Have-
watch my video so that you get new ideas also from there.
Yes. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
Bye.
Thank you.